the word. How are you guys? We had an amazing experience last night. I want to talk just real quick about a story about last night. There was a... Yeah, did it? How many need your help, John? To me, when I look back on everything, and 4 women look at me and go, they go, I want to hit regional director. They did it all at the exact same time in a week, and it was just teamwork and exposure really quick. It's grabbing a hold of people that want to teach you something and making it happen. Everybody in sync. And last night we're at Disneyland. And there's an ambassador with us. There's a national director, there's regional directors, there's only 12 of us. And there's about this many people in the line for the same ride for 60 minutes. Some people wanted to wait, some didn't. But we waited. And someone looks at me and goes, this isn't that fun. Let's rattle up this crowd. It only took about 10 minutes, and 12 of us had this many people doing the wait perfectly from start to end. After that happened, we go on to the next ride. And it was weird at first, you know. It is going to be weird. You're going to feel silly. I remember thinking those teens over there going, what dorks, you know. Wait, right? It's been done. Amen. It's been done. But we did it different. We get to the next ride, and the line just doesn't go around into the front. I mean, it zigs and zags around trees, up hills. I mean, this is going to be impossible. But we looked at each other, and we already tasted it before. We thought, let's do this. We can do it. And we did.
You can do it!
It was probably after the 8th, 10th time, we had to do it over and over and over. And it was funny, because all the way at the end up the hill, when we're almost there, there's one couple going, no. Right? And they wouldn't do it. But after 8 or 10 times, what do you know? They did it. Finally, they're the last people. Yep, we're in it. We're in it. And it made perfect sense. And to feel that with our group, we weren't dorks anymore. I'll tell you that. It was amazing. We were that 3%, and the 97% was entertained. And we turned the world upside down, and they would have joined us in anything we wanted them to do. And that was good. And how do I know that? I know that because I didn't sleep. I didn't sleep awake, because if you hear the same song over and over and over, in that last ride, what was that song? And as soon as I do that, you do your thing again real quick, so this makes me look good. Okay. So all we heard, and on the bus ride home and everywhere else, we had everybody doing it. And there's 12 people in here, and I know you're in here because I can see some of you. So after hearing this song over and over, we became that team. There we go. So it's teamwork, it's exposure. You're going to feel silly at first, but sooner or later, everybody's going to be doing it. When you get paid on Mondays, it makes perfect sense.
Makes sense,
you guys are geniuses. You get paid to party, you're going to have a lot of fun. So we're going to call them getting paid on Mondays. Instead of Mondays. They're Mondays 1, 2, free. Right? 1, 2, free.
Give it up for Jeremy, everybody!